This is a tax preparation video by How To Taxes. I will take you step by step on how to fill out your 2019 Form 1040 in a short, simple video. In the scenario for this video, you had a job during 2019. You can be claimed as a dependent on someone else's return. You are single. Your tax form for the year 2019 would be Form 1040, as the last year to file an EZ or a 1040A was the year of 2017. To begin preparation, check the single box at the top of the form, fill your name, address, and Social Security number. Right below that, check the box saying that you can be claimed as a dependent of someone else. Then go down to line 1, where you're going to put your wages. Look at your W-2 that you received from your employer, and in box 1, labeled Wages, Tips, and Other Compensation, you will find the amount to enter on line 1. In our example, it is $1,000. Since you had no other income in our example, you will carry this down to line 7B, as this is your total income. Since you had no adjustments to income, you will carry this down to line 8B, which is your AGI, your adjusted gross income, on line 8B. Next, we need to compute your standard deduction on line 9. Because you can be claimed as a dependent on someone else's return, you have to compute your standard deduction. This can be found on page 30 of the 1040 instructions, but I have summarized it for you to make it much easier. If you made $750 or less, your standard deduction is $1,100. If you made more than $750 but less than $12,200, you simply add $350 to your earned income. If you made more than $12,200, your standard deduction is $12,200. In our example, your earned income is greater than $750 and less than $12,200. So you would add $350 to your earned income. Take $1,000 plus $350 to arrive at $1,350, which would be placed on line 9. Carry that down to line 11A. On line 11B, your taxable income is calculated. Subtract line 11A from line 8B. You would arrive at 0. So to simply put it, in your own personal circumstance, if your W-2 income, if this is your only income, is greater than $750 or less than $12,200, add $350 to that amount and place it on line 9. You can now move on to page 2. On line 12A, your tax is calculated. Since your taxable income was 0, your tax will be 0. Place that amount on line 12A and carry it down to lines 12B, 14, and 16. On line 17, put the amount that you had withheld for federal income tax. You will find this in box 2 of your Form W-2. In our example, it is $10. Note that in boxes 4 and 6 on your W-2 are withholdings for Social Security and Medicare. These amounts do not go on your Form 1040. Carry the $10 down to line 19 and down to line 20, as this is your overpayment. Since you would want this amount refunded to you, put it on line 21A. If you want it directly refunded to you into your account, check the type of account that you have on line 21C and put the routing and account number on lines 21B and D. At the bottom of the form, sign, date, and put your occupation. This video was made by How To Taxes. Subscribe for future videos and tax tips. Thanks for watching.